Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. Now, this is a very special video, I should say, regarding what I'm going to show you. So this kit that I am going to show you, which is just this little kit right here, and then I added a bunch of stuff, including what's in here. So this particular kit that I am doing, it's called the Important Thing. So in the month of November, which is starting today, each day, Amanda, Kirby, and I, which I will link her channel down below, is going to pick a day, and it's going to be called 30 Days of Being Gratefulness. And I went and found on Pinterest, as you can tell, a word for each day. So like for an example, I'm just gonna, you guys can see this because these have already been passed. So like this here one, as you can tell, I'm doing my video on that, but each day it has a word. So like the first is about family, and then there's home, and then there's nature, cozy. And so each day we have a prompt that we are going to talk about the whole month of November. And the way we're going to do this is, or at least what I'm going to do this, she may do it a little bit differently, but in the same type of realm. So I am going to do a video from the 1st through the 14th and launch it on the 15th. And then the 15th through the 30th, I'm going to post the layout or the video of like what I put together on the 30th. And then December 1, I will do my flip through so that you can see all 30 days of what I do in this kit and what I decide to do. So what I'm going to go over with first is on Close to My Heart. It is called the Important Thing Bundle. And what comes in it is the base kit, which is provided, which is the base materials that you need, but you'll need a few additional items to complete this product. And I will show you the products that you need to purchase as well to finish this out. So this is what's in the kit, along with inside here you get these as well. So there are 1, 2, 3. So there's going to be 4. So there is this many regular ones, and then they each come, a couple of them that are just the 4x6s, and then a couple of them that are the 3x4s, okay? And then this is separated as well, and this is the everyday album that is black. And there is a color that is the blush color as well if you don't want to do the black. So this is the album that you need to purchase outside of this, okay? So I just wanted to show you this. And it is, by all means, it's pretty bulky, so you can get pretty thick if you would choose. So this is that. Now inside this kit, they will give you a PDF file that you can download yourself. And it shows in here the workshop. And it will tell you the additional materials that you need. And this is on the website. So you can purchase this, or before you even purchase it, if you want to purchase everything, you can get it. And I purchased all of the additional items because most of the optional items that are on here, I already have here at the house, or that I've already purchased before. So the thing is that it will show you exactly how many photos you need if you want to follow this completely to the T, and then it shows you the cutting diagrams to it. Okay, and then it prints everything off, and it shows you exactly what you need to do. Now, they also have PDFs that are called The Important Things, and it's journaling model based on the Important book by Margaret Wise Brown. You do the topic, and then you write down in the box words and thoughts about describing the topic, and then you follow this prompt. The important thing about whatever is that it is da-da-da, it is blah, blah, and blah, it is blah, it is blah, but the important thing about blah, blah, blah is that it's da-da-da-da. And then you can print it out of 2 different ways. So I just wanted to show you that these are here as well, okay? And these are just PDF files that are on the website that you can pull at any given time. They don't come into the kit. So you do get some additional flip-flops. These are the 4x6s, and then these are the 3x4s. And then it comes with the paper. So it comes with basic cardstock that's black. And then there's 2 of these. Now just remember, our cardstock is two-toned. So one side looks like this, one side looks like that. So this is like the teal color. Here's a red, same thing. You got some white cardstock as well. And then you've got the Hello Pumpkin Bulk, 2 pages of that. And that's what these look like. Okay. So that is the paper. Let me put this all back in the little thing so I can move on to the additional items. Okay, so now the additional items. Like I said, the album is one of the additional ones, and then here are all the other additional items that I did purchase. I'll start with the stamps to make it easier. So I purchased C1727. It's the Grateful Heart Card Making Essentials. And I like how these come apart, just to show you. And then here is the stamp set. Okay. And then this one is the Grateful Heart Scrapbooking Holiday, and it's D1794. And this one says, I'm grateful for, I'm grateful, and it's got dotted lines that you can write on. And it says, so grateful, family, love, blessing, count your blessings. And it's all separated, who, what, why, name, date. That is absolutely gorgeous. So that's the 2 stamp sets that I purchased. It does also come with Hello Pumpkin washi tape that you need to purchase. If you would like, that's additional. And then it's silver glitter gems. Here, if you can see, they're just little dots. And then the compliments. So the compliments are Z7237C, and it's the Grateful Heart one. And it's got this rose copper colored on this one, and this is what I would like to call cardstock. Oh, I pushed one out. So, and this one is like chipboard, I should say. Cardstock. What? Apparently, I've been doing too many videos lately. So that's another one. And here are the stickers. Okay. And then last but not least is the Perfectly Imperfect, the Picture My Life. These are the card, Project Life cards. And this is Z7236E. So I will start with the 3x4s. So these are cool. The way I like these is you set it up this way and then you can flip it and it's set up the different way. So I'm not going to show you the back because they're the same. Enjoy the little things. Dates and moments. Today. One of a kind. XOXO, and then that's a different colored one there. So that's the 3x4s, and here are the 4x6s. So family photos, Perfectly Imperfect, Life, I love everything about this, and that's got a different color on the back. Note to self, this is different there. The story. This is us. Bring on the crazy. That's red and that's black. This one's got different colors as well. And then cherish the memories. So, if you are still wanting to purchase this type of a kit, it is available until the 31st of December, all of these items will no longer be available starting January 1. So you do have time to purchase all of these and join Amanda and I. If you do, use hashtag Grateful30 and let us see what you guys are able to do with this. And look for our videos coming up soon, and I will talk to you later. Bye!